I'm dying, Louise. I don't even know. Oh God. I don't even know, Louise. Oh God. I need a tissue. Man, I'm too lazy to get up. Oh God. What even helps hiccups? Peanut butter?
No. You gotta hold your breath and swallow at the same time.
I'm gonna start spitting everywhere.
No.
Okay.
Okay. So
I'm sounding like a duck. Oh. I sounded like a duck. Okay. Okay, I did it.
Has it gone?
I don't know, has it?
Wait.
No! Oh, please, can you Google for me? Oh my God.
Mix 14 spoons of sugar in a large glass of water, plug your nose, and drink as much of it as you can without taking a breath. Put sugar under your tongue and hold it there. If that doesn't work, breathe in and die.
Oh!
Repeat.
Okay, I think I'm good. I think.
Good.